காட்டு
விலங்குகளுக்கு அன்பு காவோ நமது நாங்கள் ஒலிக்கும் our indies our pride
அன்பு காட்டு
We are urging the government not to throw the dogs to the shelter. Shelter is not the solution. You have to just sterilize and vaccinate. We have to think of ways to control rabid dogs. Okay, that is what we have to do. Shelter is never a solution. We cannot confine any life.
விலங்குகளுக்கு அன்பு காட்டு இரக்கமோ நமது மொழி நாங்கள் எப்பவும் இணைவோம் நாங்கள் எப்பவும் ஒலிக்கும் எங்கள் குரல் ஒலிக்கும் நாய்களுக்கும் நீதி வேண்டும் இரக்கம் நமது மொழிதான் நாய்கள் வேண்டாமா இந்திய நாய்கள் வேண்டாமா.
This is about not only animal rights but also human rights. Okay, animals are individuals just like us. They deserve freedom, they deserve shelter, they deserve food, they deserve a space to sleep, and we are also the same. They feel the same as us, we feel the same as them. Their pain and our pain is not any different. So it's a very important protest because we are only requesting the government to let us work together with unison. We have solutions. I am an animal rights activist for so many years. I am a rescue volunteer for the last 40 plus years. We are only doing this. So many of us are doing the same thing. We are doing from our own resources, our own time. We are doing whatever we can for the animals. We don't want dogs on the street. We don't want anyone to get bitten. We don't want anyone to get rabies. We are also human. We work with dogs every day. Okay, so we are taking precautions. We take injections. We are not asking the whole public to take injections. But during Corona, what did we do? If you have to do it, you do it. If you encounter some animal, you do it. There is nothing wrong. Take an injection, you will be fine. Okay, there is no big periya issue idhile. You just have to find a sensible solution, and countries all over the world, including cities like Chennai, Jaipur, Goa and many Nepal and many places have implemented sterilization where the population has come down and almost there are no dogs in these places in Leh, Ladakh and many places and in the foreign countries. People are asking why there are no dogs in the foreign countries. Because they have resources. They have used it effectively. Even India has resources, sir. We have the money. We cannot say we are a third world country. We are a developing nation. We have a good economy and a growing economy. We have the funds. What we need is will, political will and people's will also, people's cooperation also. The media has unnecessarily sensationalized the issue. I'm not referring to your channel, but I'm saying it's become like a herd mentality, Madri. We have solutions. We want the government to talk to us and let us explain. They also know. They have the infrastructure. They have the pounds. But if you go and see, none of those places are in working condition.
நாய்கள்தான் வேண்டுமா இந்திய சொன்னது இந்த தமிழ்நாடு
Suddenly the Supreme Court has given this one ruling which is changing the entire law, the safety of the community dogs. And we are against that ruling which has come against the community dogs. We want our dogs to be in the India like they used to be always here, and we want to safeguard their right. I am an animal welfare activist and animal right activist, and I cannot let my community dogs go just because a Supreme Court ruling has come against them. So the only ruling which will work for animals is sterilize, vaccinate and do not relocate them, because these animals hold the territory for others and they do not let unvaccinated, unsterilized dogs coming in the territory, and they safeguard us. They are our assets. We cannot just throw them away from the city. We cannot just throw them away from life. They have all the rights just as humans.